Okay, I'm very happy to see all of you guys in this video. And yeah, I have already released maybe a lot of video from A to letter Q. In this video, I'm gonna make a new video with letter R. So everyone, come with me, join with me, and practice all together. Let's go. So this is letter R. Let's say all together. R, R, R. The sounds of letter R is the sound R. Say all together. R, R, R. Here are the 4 words that begin with letter R. Let's go. Number 1, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Number 2, ruler, ruler, ruler. Number 3, ring, ring, ring. Number 4, rooster, rooster, rooster. Okay, so everyone come on and repeat to me all together. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. A ruler, ruler, ruler. Ring, ring, ring. Rooster, rooster, rooster. Okay, right now let's move to make the sentence all together. Let's go. Letter R. Number 1. There is a rabbit. There is a rabbit. There is a rabbit. Wow! I have a ring. I have a ring. I have a ring. Wow! Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel to get the next video. Goodbye.